In today's world, technology is constantly evolving and new products are emerging. Yet, most people still listen to music using traditional headphones or earphones. We wanted to bring you a new way to listen to music with the most advanced technology. The next step of listening to music is now here. Introducing ZEROi, a hat with built-in bone conduction technology that is wireless and hands-free. The battery, PCB, on-off switch, and LED light are located in the bill of the cap. ZEROi uses bone conduction technology that sends vibrations into the skull and directly into your eardrums. The bone conduction speakers fit snugly, offering enhanced clarity of sound. ZEROi uses Bluetooth technology that allows you to listen to music and answer phone calls, and it's all put together into the simplicity of a hat. It has a built-in microphone, so you can answer calls instantly without the need of an extra headset or earphones. ZEROi brings you high-quality sound that is comparable to listening to music through stereo systems. With 4 bone conduction speakers compared to the usual 2 of our competitors, this allows you to listen to music more clearly. When using ZEROi, you'll have free range to conveniently listen to the clear and crisp sound without blockage of your earphones. But at the same time, external noise is audible for safety reasons when you may be cycling or jogging outside. ZEROi has a detachable magnetic connector that can be easily managed with one hand, and the connector protects your charging port from damage. With a built-in LED light, you will know when your ZEROi is fully charged. What if your ZEROi gets wet? Well, that's not a problem. The ZEROi is covered in a waterproof oil coating that prevents damage from rain, sweat, or accidental spillage. ZEROi can be easily worn anywhere at any time. The possibilities are endless. ZEROi comes in 2 sleek designs, a snapback and a baseball cap, and comes in 3 different colors: black, white, and blue.